Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for April. If you're not familiar with Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, this is a monthly beauty subscription box that sends you 5 full-size beauty items, one of which you get to choose for $25 a month. It's a total great, like, just the bang for your buck is there. This is definitely a subscription box you want to try if you love to try new beauty items. I do kind of have an idea. That's a lie. I know exactly what's in here because when Ipsy does send this to me for review, they send the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus all in one box, and I kind of have to figure out what's what. So that's me looking online and looking at what's in here. So I'm sorry, but I want to be honest. Anyway, we open it up and we have, you know, the cushion inside. So here it is. This month's box is called The Force of Nature, and the bag is really cool. I love this print. I just think it's so bright and happy, but it's also like kind of fun. Like kind of a little quirky, like me, right? All right, so anyway, it is drawstring. The Glam Bag Plus always has a drawstring bag. It is not lined inside, so there's that. All right, first up we have the Belle & Argent. This is a palette. This is the Nude Intuitive Vision. Nude Intuitive Vision. Their products are like really kind of, I'm trying to describe the aesthetic. Very upscale. It feels really like Parisian and like high end. Like, look, it feels very, I don't know the word. It almost has kind of an Art Deco. You know what I'm saying? You have that, you get that vibe. Are you feeling that vibe? I feel so great. My daughter came into I was making peanut butter eggs today. This is a little story off topic. And I was making peanut butter eggs and I was just listening to a mix on Spotify. You know, Spotify makes me so many cool mixes. Anyway, love it. Just tell me what I want to listen to, Spotify. That's so lame. Anyway, so there's a song on by the Yeah Yeah Yeahs from like 20 years ago, you know? And my daughter comes in and she's, Mom, this song is a whole vibe. I was like, this kid does not think I am cool anymore at all. I am not cool to her. She said that song was a whole vibe. She said most of your songs are just, by the way, I'm really proud of my kids. They're like super into music. They like older music. They like newer music. They are interested in music discovery, which is really important to me. So she said most of it's just, but this is a whole vibe. And I was like, so anyway, Yeah Yeah Yeahs Runaway. That's a whole vibe. Listen to that. All right. So here's our palette. It does have a mirror. I'm not going to put you guys in there. It's a very natural palette. There are 4 shimmers and then 4 mattes. It has almost a like earthy, almost a fall feeling. So the colors are Flash, Call Sheet, Shutter Speed, Credit, Take 2, Cinephile, Production, and Writer's Block. I'm not going to swatch them. I'm going to swatch them. You know what? Let's do it. Let's just do it. So we'll start right here. And then I'll try to remember to take a picture after this. I probably will forget. Oh, am I going over one? I probably am. This is wonderful. Oh, that dark one is not so hot. I'm not into you very much. You are not a vibe. All right. I'm just using the same finger. I know somebody out there is not going to like that, but oh well. All right, so there they are swatched. They're nice. I'll be honest, that dark right here, this is not my favorite. It just comes out really chalky, and I can feel it's very powdery, so it's gonna move all over the place, which I'm not a big fan of. But it's still a nice little palette. I don't know the retail values. If you're interested in checking that out, I will put those in my full review. So there's that. All right, then we have, this is the company I've actually worked with. This is Soapbox, Soap for Hope. I actually took a bunch of pictures for them years ago, literally years ago. This is their shampoo bar, the Argan Oil Control and Soften bar. So there's that. There's the bar. Those are nice. That's a very nice item. Smells good. I can smell it through the plastic. Yes, I can. I wasn't lying. I wasn't making that up. All right, moving on. All right, next up we have, this is from Victoria Beckham. This is the Future Lashes Smudge Free Lifting Mascara. I love her. I think that she's so cool. Like, I just love her style. It's kind of like, she's super like, she's still posh, you know, like she's still Posh Spice, but like there's something a little bit punk rock about her. You know what I mean? Do you get that vibe? Like there's just something a little gritty. I like it. And she used to always wear Roland Moret, who's my favorite, #1 favorite designer of all time. I love his the sleeves. He made like these cool cap sleeves, if you're familiar. And I think I love her style. I just think if I was rich and gorgeous, I'd look like her. I'd dress like her at least. Anyway, all right, so here's the Victoria Beckham. I'm actually going to open this one right away because I want to use it. I want to try it out. I should look. It's a celebrity endorsement. So look at the wand. Is really, really, I don't know if you can see, really thin. Oh, that's interesting. I'm excited to try that out. All right, and this is like really, it's not plastic. It's like glass. Very nice. Very way to go. All right, very way to go. I said that. I really did say that. All right, next up is another celebrity created product. This is from Lauren Conrad. This is the lip gloss. So this has almost like a bronze. Let's see here. There it is, like a bronze. It doesn't really, oh, it smells like chemicals. That's what it smells like, chemicals. Woo, Lauren. LC, come on now. All right, so there's that. Does look a little bit tacky, but that's what you want in a gloss, right? All right, moving on to our final item here. This is from Item, and this is the Light Sauce Balancing Gel Moisturizer for Oily and Combo Skin. I am going to say something right now. This is not for me. I don't do gel moisturizers. They're too light. They're not enough for my skin. And then what happens is because it's so light, I have to end up putting more on, and then it's too much moisturizer. So I pass on these altogether. I will pass this on to a friend. Looks like a nice item, but not for my skin type. All right. So for your $25 spend, you're getting your full-size Light Sauce. I love that it's called sauce. Moisturizer, obviously your bag. Your soap bar from Soap Hope or Soap Works. Had to bend it like Beckham. Just kidding. Oh, sorry. That's so corny. That was a dad joke. All right, the Victoria Beckham mascara, the Lauren Conrad lips gloss. Yes, you have 2 lips. So, all right, and then the Belle and Argent palette. So as always, if you guys are interested in checking out Ipsy, I will link to them below. I will also link to my full review where I will go in depth. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.